Best emergency hot water heater repair in Polk County, Florida. Same-day service near you. Give us a call at 863-302-9700 for faster service. If you're stuck at home, at your office, commercial business place without hot water or water heater not working, let our same-day emergency hot water heater repair service on wheels technician come to you to fix your water heater and get you some hot water again. Let us put our knowledge and years of experience to work for you by giving us a call at 863-302-9700 or visit boracina.com/hot. And we are open on Saturday, Sunday, weekend, include some holidays to serve you.